Okay. Now, do you remember what I told you about the green onions? What do you need to do?
Snip off the...
Where do you need to cut it first? Show me. Okay, so cut it. Okay, those are for your greens. Where do you need to cut this one? Okay, cut it. All right, now put your whites in here. Okay, put your whites in there and your greens in there. All right, start cutting over the thing. Here, come here. Okay, now you're going to take these and we're going to cut the ends off. Okay. Then you cut them in half and you're going to slice them. Okay? So, get going. No, like that. There you go. Thinner. There you go. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing to the cucumber here.
And I'll eat a bite.
Okay, you can have those.
No, I like a piece. Not an end piece.
Okay, slice them thin.
Okay. If you say... What?
Hold it there. Hold here and start slicing. Alright, now in here you have the radishes and the cucumbers and the white parts of your green onions. Now we're going to put the mirin in here, okay?
What is mirin?
It's a cooking wine.
Oh, okay. It's not alcoholic.
It's fine. Okay, and they're gonna just sit in there for a little bit.
What about the kimchi?
Do you want to try that now or do you want it in here first?
Now.
Okay, so we'll try it now. Get me a container. You might like it. I know I don't. And that's okay.
If we both don't like it,
Then we don't put it in. All right?
Ugh. No.
You sure? You want to try one more bite?
No.
Try one more small bite, okay? Make sure that you do not like it. All right?
All hell is going to break out?
Just make sure that you actually don't like it. That's all.
Nope.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, now we have that. in here, I have our soy glaze already, okay? And to our soy glaze, I'm going to add my spatula. Here, put your glasses back on. Okay. To the soy glaze, I'm going to add some of this Kewpie mayo. It's like a smoother mayonnaise, okay?
From Japan.
Yes.
I like to taste a bit of it.
And our Go-Go chicken.
Mmm. Good.
Mix that. Yeah. There's our chicken. And we're gonna spread it out. And salt and pepper. And a little bit of our ground ginger. And some garlic powder. All right, now start stirring that around a little bit in there. Don't make a mess. Keep it all inside. And now we're going to take our cornstarch here and we're going to sprinkle it all over it. And you're going to
Stir it again.
yes, you're going to stir it all around again until you get it coated. All right, now those are going to sit. You're not going to touch them for a couple of minutes, and then you're going to start stirring them around. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So get your stirry thing.
And what do we do?
Get your stirry thing. Yes. And just wait. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Flip them. You want them to get brown. See how they're starting to get brown?
Yeah.
Well, that's what you want. Okay, now we're going to take our chicken and put it in this sauce. Do you want to try the sauce first?
Yeah.
Come on. Take your finger.
Again. Nah.
Yeah, too bad.
Oh.
What's wrong with the sauce?
Well, I don't like it.
What don't you like about it?
It's very, the texture.
You're not gonna. It's just gonna coat the chicken.
Oh.
That's it. It's just gonna coat the chicken. Okay?
That and the flavor of mayo and gochujang does not taste well together.
You can get me a container to put your chicken in.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Is this good?
Yeah, that's fine. Now, I'm going to get the rice. Here's your chicken. And our radishes and cucumber. And our green onions. And some sesame oil. And some sesame seeds. And with that,
Dinner's done.